My peeps, the question is glutamine. Should you take it? Well, here's the deal. Glutamine is a very, very effective tool. It helps with soreness in a drastic fashion. However, one of the things that you hear me talk about all the time that I want to make sure you hear again in this video is that if your nutrition is on point, glutamine will not help as much. Glutamine is one of those things that will help, period. But you're going to be far better off if your nutrition is dialed in and you use glutamine. Classic example. People come on board with my program. They're not accustomed to basically me piping so many nutrients into them. And I don't really talk in macro, I talk in micro. That's what the value, that's the real currency. Once someone has a diet dialed in with the proper micronutrients, they notice that they don't get as sore or they don't stay as sore as long, which is a good thing, which means the body's fucking healing faster. However, if you don't have a good diet and you're staying fucking sore for 5, 6, 7 days, glutamine is going to help that drastically. So yes, absolutely can be a very, very helpful, effective tool. Now, you take both these motherfuckers, put them together. You do a proper diet. I'm not talking calories. I'm not talking fucking macronutrients. I'm talking micronutrients. Along with your glutamine on your nasty fucking workout days, and you're gonna have lightning in a bottle. A supplement is an addition to. That's what glutamine is. So if you're using that supplement in addition to a shitty diet, or versus using that supplement in conjunction with a fucking killer diet, it's pretty fucking simple math. You're gonna get much better results. So, back to the original question. Should you use glutamine? Fuck yes. Now, how do you use it? With a shitty diet or a shitty diet or a good diet? The choice is up to you. Just remember, one of the common themes of everything I teach, supplements are not gonna fix anything. Supplements are something that can be used when you need to help fill in the gaps of your good diet when you can't get to all the things you need. A good diet, for the most part, is a fucking blanket that covers everything you need. So, based upon answer to this question in this video, yes, use your fucking glutamine. It's gonna help you no matter what. There you have it. Rock and roll, my peeps.